House apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay. Open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. House apartment, bungalow type, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Fully tiles ang flooring, bagong pintura, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes, inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Yes, store. Yes, pwedeng magtindahan. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent na affordable, very accessible. Yes, murang pinapaupahang bahay. 6,000 pesos monthly. Located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Yes guys, ito po yung full video ng ating na-visit at na-locate. Ito ang isi-share ko sa inyong details and information about dito sa house apartment for rent na bakante. 6,000 pesos monthly. Bagong gawang bahay with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Location, Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Very spacious. Home sweet home. Yes guys, kamusta? Marami pa akong ibang house and apartment. Marami pa po tayong units na available. Yes, unlimited po. Palagi po akong mag-share sa inyo ng mga video ng ating mga nabibisit na mga house apartment. For this video, ito po muna, bungalow type, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Kung gusto nyo bisitahin, kung gusto nyo magpa-assist, PM na lang kayo sa akin. Pwede rin kayo tumawag sa aking cellphone number. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na video. So ito po yung house apartment for rent para sa naghahanap ng bagong malilipat ng pinapaupahang bahay. Ito po, napakamura lang, 6,000 pesos monthly. 1 bedroom na, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, napakalapit sa lahat, maganda yung bahay, maganda ang location, Dasmariñas City, Cavite, malapit sa highway, walking distance lang. And yes guys, syempre maraming salamat sa panonood. Marami pa akong iba pang isi-share na video ng iba pang mga house and apartment, kaya stay tuned. Ulit, ito po yung bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay. Ayan po yung kulay gray, yung may black na gate, 6,000 pesos monthly. For 1 month advance and 1 month deposit only. Yan, kung gusto nyo bisitahin, pwede po anytime. Dahil open na, bakante na, pwede nang malipatan kaagad itong pinapaupahang bahay. Yun lang po at maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Malaking tulong yan para mag-grow ang ating YouTube channel.